Hello everyone, welcome to the Drishti IAS new series of To The Point. In this series, the topic of discussion is India Plastics Pact. First of all, let's see why this is in news. The India Plastics Pact, the first in Asia, will be launched in September in collaboration with Confederation of Indian Industries or CII and World Wide Fund for Nature or WWF. Recently, a report published on closing the plastic circular gap suggested that there is a dire need to make large-scale global interventions to manage plastic waste. Now let's understand that what is the India Plastics Pact and its aim. It is an ambitious, collaborative initiative that aims to bring together businesses, governments and NGOs across the whole value chain to set time-bound commitments to reduce plastics from their value chains. While the India Plastics Pact will be active in India, it will link globally with other plastics pacts. The pact will develop a roadmap for guidance, form action groups composed of members and initiative innovation projects. Members' accountability is ensured through ambitious targets and annual data reporting. The vision, targets and ambition of the India Plastics Pact are aligned with the circular economy principles of the Ellen MacArthur Foundation's New Plastics Economy. The pact aims to transform the current linear plastics system into a circular plastics economy that will reduce the use of problematic plastics, retain valuable materials in the economy for use in other products, generate jobs, investment and opportunities in the plastic system in India. It aims to promote public-private collaborations that enable solutions to eliminate the plastics we do not need, bring innovation to packaging design and to capture the value of the plastics we use. Now let's know that what is the need for plastic pacts. In Indian scenario, India generates 9.46 million tons of plastic waste annually. 40% plastic waste goes uncollected. 43% of all plastics produced in India are used for packaging, majority of them being single-use. However, viewed from the angle of livelihoods, post-consumer segregation, collection and disposal of plastics make up about half of the income of 1.5 to 4 million waste pickers in India. Now let's move on to the global scenario. Mismanagement of more than 7.7 billion metric tons of plastic waste globally over the next 20 years is expected, which is equivalent to 16 times the weight of the human population. Among the many applications of plastic packaging is the largest. A 2019 report by the Center for International Environmental Law suggests that by 2050, greenhouse gas emissions from plastic could reach over 56 gigatons, 10 to 13% of the remaining carbon budget. So what could be the expected outcome? It can be expected to boost demand for recycled content, investments in recycling infrastructure, jobs in the waste sector and beyond. The pact will support the extended producer responsibility framework of the government and improve solid waste management as envisioned in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Integral to the pact's framework is the involvement of the informal waste sector, crucial to post-consumer segregation, collection and processing of plastic waste. Apart from benefits to society and economy, delivering the targets will drive circularity of plastics and help tackle pollution. They will lead to significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Now it's time for today's practice question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. It is an ambitious, collaborative initiative that aims to bring together businesses, governments and NGOs across the whole value chain to set time-bound commitments to reduce plastics from their value chains. Statement 2. While the India Plastics Pact will be active in India, it will link globally with other plastics pacts. Statement 3. The pact will develop a roadmap for guidance, form action groups composed of members and initiative innovation projects. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. And last, option D, 1, 2 and 3. Don't forget to answer this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for next session. Till then, Jai Hind. Dear viewer, to watch this video in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.